In this short tutorial, I will be showing the students at Stellenbosch University's Tygerberg campus who use the Apple MacBook laptops how to connect to the BYOD network. BYOD is an acronym for Bring Your Own Device. Simply put, this is a new way by which students can use their own devices, such as notebooks and tablets, to access the university network and services such as SunLearn and podcasts. For this tutorial, we will be using an Apple MacBook Air. This particular laptop runs High Sierra, the newest version of Apple's Mac OS, but the BYOD system also runs on any version of OS X. In order to set up your Apple MacBook to connect to the BYOD wireless network, you will have to be either in Gerge itself or in the corridors outside Gerge and the medical library. To connect to the wireless network, move up to the status menu at the top of the Apple desktop and click on the Wi-Fi icon at the top right. In the Wi-Fi menu, there are a number of connections available. The network that you will be connecting to is Gerge BYOD. Select the Gerge BYOD from the list. After a few moments, you will be connected to the Wi-Fi network. This completes the first step. Once you are connected, you can now open up an internet browser such as Safari, Google Chrome, or Firefox. Once the browser is open, go to any website or address. It doesn't matter which one. I will go to google.co.za. As you can see, you will be automatically connected to the Gerge network landing page. Click on the link just below the grey welcome bar that says please click here to connect to the Gerge network. After a few moments, this page will appear. Fill in all the required details. Put a check in the I agree to the acceptable use policy box and then click on the Complete Registration button. The registration process will complete after a few moments. Your MacBook is now registered on the Gerge network. This completes the second step. Once the registration of your device is successful, you will be taken to the Gerge Wi-Fi site. Here you can download and install the appropriate Citrix Receiver client for your device. These clients, once installed, will allow you to connect to the virtual desktops that have all the necessary programs and services that you will require for your studies at Tygerberg campus. Download the Citrix Receiver Mac from the menu on the right side of the page. It will be saved to your MacBook's download folder. Unfortunately, if you have an Apple iPad, then you will have to connect to the internet to download the client from the Apple iTunes Store. This client is free. All that you will need is an internet or a 3G connection in order to download that client. Installing the client is a simple process. Open up the Downloads folder on the dock at the bottom of the desktop. Click on the Open in Finder item. Open the Citrix Mac 12 folder. Double-click the Citrix Receiver 12.7.dmg install file. Choose the Install Citrix Receiver item. Click the Continue button on the security warning window. Follow the entire installation process. You might be asked to enter your administrator's password to allow the installation on your MacBook. When you reach the stage where you are asked to add account, then click Continue. That will be done later. Finish the installation and decide if you want to move the installer to the trash or keep it. Install the HDX real-time media engine as well. The process will be similar to the Citrix Receiver installation. This completes the third step. To start the Citrix Receiver and add an account, click on the Go menu item and choose Applications. Locate the Citrix Receiver item and open it. In the Add Account window, type in the following address: https://stbcitrix.sun.ac.za. Press Add to continue. To complete the Add Account setup, enter your username, which will be your student number, and your network password. Press Log On. Click on the Humaga account and press Select. The Citrix Receiver client will now display the general desktop. Your MacBook is now ready to access the Citrix General Desktop. This completes the fourth step. You will have to connect to the BYOD wireless network each time you want to access the General Desktop. Follow the same procedure as you did at the beginning of this tutorial when you connected for the first time. Here is a reminder. Move up to the status menu at the top of the Apple desktop and click on the Wi-Fi icon at the top right. In the Wi-Fi menu, there are a number of connections available. Select the BYOD from the list. After a few moments, you will be connected to the Wi-Fi network. Secondly, start the Citrix Receiver software to connect to the general desktop. Type in your student number in the username field and enter your password. Click on the Log On button. The normal welcome message will appear, and after about 30 seconds, the Citrix General Desktop will appear. This is the same desktop that you can access from the computers in Gaga. It will be a bit strange running Windows on your MacBook at first, but you will adapt quickly. This concludes the tutorial. If you have any questions or are unclear about some aspect of BYOD, please contact the Gaga personnel during office hours. We will be glad to help. If you found this video useful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and spread the news about BYOD.